Thank you for tuning in to the Student Barber, and today I have coming to you with a video about, plain and simple, clippers. See how loud these are? Yeah, a lot of people don't like that, so look, let me show you guys a simple way that we're going to tone it down to these. Nice and quiet, loud, quiet. And these are some Walmart clippers too, and they sound like this. And they hit hard. Let me show you guys what it is and what it ain't. Alright, so here, now you bring your clippers to your workspace, your work desk, whatever you want to call it. Anywhere clean that you can keep organized. You're going to do this right here, take all these off, these screws. Just to take off the cover. Nothing too serious, nothing too hard. All you need is a screwdriver. Phillips head. One. And I'm performing these on the wall legends. Plain and simple. Unscrew. Take the screw out. Lift the plate. And look, let me give you guys a breakdown. So we have two things that play a big role in this sound of this clipper. We have this arm. We have this arm. This is the moving arm. This is the stay still arm, or whatever you want to call it. And at first I was wondering, because I dropped my clippers the other day, and I was wondering why they're banging so loud, banging so loud, banging so loud. It's plain and simple. All you gotta do is go like this. Look, check this out. You take these, or actually use this since it's more flat, or anything that you can. Shit, you can use your finger if you would like. Just push down right here. Knock them back into place. Look at that. Man. Quiet. No sound to it. Still gives you the same amount of power. And if you want to, and if it's still loud and you haven't adjusted your tension screw, go ahead and do that so it's really loud. Tone it down. I usually give it to, see the sound starts right here, I usually give it 1 turn and a half. Boom. And all it's guys, all you gotta do is just follow the steps backwards. Close that back up, make sure everything's there, obviously, make sure nothing fell out. Everything's secure. Come over here, drop this in. 1, 2, 3. Tighten these back up. Make sure you tighten everything not too tight. Not too tight at all, because mind you, your frame is most likely plastic and you do not want to break that. Boom. Tighten everything back up. Nice and quiet. Now you're ready for your next cut. I know a lot of clients definitely don't want to hear that super loud sound in their head. Boom. Stay tuned. More videos coming soon. Subscribe. Like if you like. Leave a comment if you have any other questions.